Hey folks, Rick here, and guess what? It's Rocktober. I like to call it Rocktober because if you're not rocking October, you're not going to finish strong, and you're not going to start next year strong. Nothing feels better than starting next year with a little bit of a lead, a full pipeline, actives, pendings, all kinds of business. It feels great when you start plus it allows you to carry momentum through the whole year. All right, so we're going to turn October into Rocktober. How do we do that? Well, you got to do your business plan for 2019. You got to do it right now. Before October 15th, get that business plan done. I want you to answer 3 questions when you do your business plan. Number 1, how am I going to finish this year? Okay, be honest. You know, don't over or underdo it. Just be truthful with yourself. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, what do you want to accomplish in 2019? Make it a stretch goal. Okay, actually start. If you start now, you really can turn next year into a 15-month year if you start now with the momentum you can carry. Okay, and so how am I going to finish this year? Be honest. Okay, what do I want to do next year? And then here's the most important question. What am I going to do differently to get there? You can't do the same things and expect to do more business. Okay, do your 2019 business plan by mid-October. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you very much.